Hello guys! Ganda ng mod yung dinownload ko. Yan guys! Yan creative. Sa yung behavior packs. Ito. Ganda na Para activate. Yan tingnan mo. Isa sa isa kong cellphone naglalag, hindi ko magalaw yung kamay niya. Ito na lang dinunod ko. Tas a DD it's FGDD. No, I will not. FGTV idol ko si ano nyo ba guys, gusto ko maging si Sam Plays yung PSALM tas PLAWZ Sam Plays Sam Plays. Yan yun yung katulad ko Pilipino yun. Gitara. Pero English man ako. Yung mga mga Amerikano dyan. Mag-English ako. English mode muna tayo. Ay, bet. Let's go download the guns and look in the inventory. Alright. Alright, bet. Alright, this is the problem. Doesn't move. This only moves. And it's Steve Juggernaut. I can choose Juggernaut. It's called Uplock Guns. This is fire, guys. Alright, good, ne? I can download this forever, but not too many. It's detected. But let's go try it. What is this name of this? AK-12. Okay, some switches. And something. Alright. This better be good. Going later. Grip. Attachment. Laser and sight up. What is the name of this? Wait. Need to apply first and green laser. AO type E0 tech. Sounds good. Okay. Bro, ready siya ain't the way, bro. So funny. Hey, this look fire. Well, next update. In the next update, I will download the horror mod and My goal is to be someplace. Is a YouTuber. Alright. That's my dream. Let's go. I'm Betty and I'm Betty. The hell is this? Ah, blood. This is blood. I understand now. But this look scary now, bro. Oh, black version. I know, no. This can't be. This can't be, bro. Is this truly a blood? In no way, bro. Bro, ignore that shit. We got MK2 grenade. Alright. Do this game have blood? No? Can I do some commands? Magko-commands. Bro, why can't I command? Ain't no way. You want to see it what I downloaded? But I downloaded? Okay, I'll show you. But like and subscribe and click the bell. And I will show you in part 2. Alright. Guys, y'all check the part 2. Okay, I will show you this is the horror mods. I am not ready yet for horror mods yet. This is I download. Search Uplock Guns. You can download some tanks or army or anything here. You can download anything. You can change your avatar here. And for girls, if those girls watching my videos, you can download here. Look, monsters. I can download anything. Characters, Giga Chad. You can buy anything here. I will choose some avatars next time. But I keep yapping. Before your hate, I need to say important. I cannot get any. I need to go to school and not post anything, but I'll try. The good news, I'll keep posting any videos, and I hope you like my videos. Let's go download this, bear. Download to Minecraft install. Let's go. I bet. Grox MC. I hope some please follow me in Facebook and even YouTube. I got banned in TikTok like 2 times because Jalan Nawabi. It's called now Jalan Nawabi Ahmad. I'm Muslim Filipino. This is the skin pack I got. This kinda look like Grox. You know this name, anong olam? Ano ulam? It means, Mom, what's the food? Or you can call it dinner. What? Mom, what's the dinner? Or anything. Let's go see our...
Hey,
Ah,
ano nangyari sa'yo? Hindi ka na lumalabas niya?
ah? Mag...
Bigat na naman itong...
Baka masira yan ah.
Ha?
Yung ano, dito niya oh. Baka masira.
Maaga na naman masisira yan?
Bukas na yun, yung pasukan namin. Tapos ang naming subjects. Hele, mape. Tsaka ano,
Oo.
English.
Dapat na
Bagwis, kayamanan.
dapat na matutuwa na agad yan para alis tayo dyan. Hindi kaya na hindi natin kaya?
Yung oras ng... Ay, abe, 10 na lang yung ano, oras kong matulog. 10.
Bukas, matulog yan 9. Basta may pasok, 9. Para yun ang usapan natin.
Oh. Ay, di ba ngayon 10?
Ngayon 10, ngayon. Magsisimula tayo bukas. Ngayon 9.
Di ba pagka Friday, natutulog tayo sa 10?
Oo.
At sa Fridays. Grox MC. Ipalit ko yung pangalan ko. Ender MC. This look good. Palit ko nga pangalan ko. So guys, I will change my name into Ender